As this conversation progresses, the son goes on further to ask a question. Nasi mamuka mangwanani kwakanaka here. Nasi mamuka mangwanani kwakanaka here. And using the Pemzula method, we will learn to pronounce this sentence. Here. Here. Naka here. Naka here. Kwaka naka here. Nani kwaka naka here. Ngwanani kwaka naka here. Ngwanani kwaka naka here. Mangwanani kwaka naka here. Muka mangwanani kwaka naka here. Mamuka mangwanani kwaka naka here. Nasi mamuka mangwanani kwaka naka here. And the hardest compound to pronounce there is in mangwanani. Ngwanani. Mangwanani kwaka naka here. Nasi mamuka mangwanani kwaka naka here. Thank you.